Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw very easily a pair of boxer shorts. So we want a kind of a slightly crinkly line across the top with all the kind of elastic on the top bit there. And we're going to make that sort of slightly crinkly, like that. And then come down at a bit of an angle, flaring out like that. And then we're going to come in and in, slightly curved, and then up and up, and then we're going to have a little bit at the front, maybe some buttons coming down like that, and then a little hem kind of thing there as well. And let's make them a little bit jolly by putting dots all over them, and you can colour them anything you like. There you go, how to draw a pair of boxer shorts real easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.